So now we are in the Milestone project. So this Milestone project, we are going to practicing to apply the skills we have learned. So in this project, it's a to-do app to tracking the to-do tasks. It's a tool through the terminal. It's not a complex thing, it's very simple. So the features you need to include in this tool is adding a new to-do item, remove, mark a to-do item as completed, view all to-do items, view the completed to-do items. So let me also give you like a view about the structure of the application. First of all, it will be infinite loop, so it will not just be for one time, and I will show you how this will be working. Also, you need to avoid inputs which is not supported. Those are the features we have talking about. That's the base design. We have a to-do item contains this information, fields, ID, description is completed, and those are the methods which help you do some functionalities for this item. And this is a tuple struct which have list of to-do items, and those are the methods, and that's the interface. Okay, so let's see how it's working. First of all, we are not restricted or required to do the same formatting, but try to make it the same. If you have a simpler design, better design, the important point or the important 2 points is the core functionality and readability for the interface, so it will be easier to cooperate with. And of course, there is a better design. If you have, or if you see this is acceptable, just follow as much as you can, but just focus on put the functionality. Okay, let's say the functionality for this tool. First of all, those are the way to interact. If we make plus space some description, that means we add a new item, minus space to-do ID, that means remove a to-do item, and plus space the to-do ID, which means make a to-do as completed. View all the to-do items, a small letter or capital letter. View all the completed to-do items means you just type D or D capital. And for help, which are the same message like this again. Okay, so let's say, first of all, let's starting with all to-do items, a small letter. Those are all the to-do items we have at the moment. A capital, it's the same. So D, which are the completed to-do items, we don't have at the moment. Okay, if we say some character outside of those list, it should give something wrong. It should say, no, this is not a valid command or something. So let's say L, for example, unknown command. So let's say M, for example, the same. So you need to guarantee that only those are accepted. Okay, those commands are accepted one. Okay, I know this is some challenging, but the challenges which we are facing in the software development help us to have a deep knowledge or have a deep experience. So that's cool. Let's get the help again and add a new item. For example, let's say Rust course preparation. That's prep. Done, added new item. Number 3, description Rust course prep is complete or false. So let's see the list of to-do items. To-do list, that's all the to-do items. That's the Rust course prep. Okay, let's mark it as completed. So +3. That means we will see it's done. That's the number of, this is the to-do item. This is the ID, this is the status, or it's completed or not, and this is the description of the to-do. This is done. That means if I show the list of done items, completed items, yeah, that's it. Oh, let's remove, for example, number 2. If we say -2 and see the list, so it's removed. That's cool. So That's how the tool work. Just take your time or a few minutes or some time to do this tool or task, and in the next video you will see how we can develop this. Thanks.